Okay, this is the second part of installing Windows 10 on VMware Workstation. So we left at the stage where the installation was going ahead. Now if we select the region, this is the UK, so let's say yes. So we go through a few steps and it's asking me about the keyboard. So stick on UK, we don't want an extra one, so skip that one. Then it says let's connect to the internet, so there's a reason why I don't want to connect now. So I would say no, I don't have internet. Then the rest, I don't want to connect, we continue without any connection, otherwise it takes really long. Let's call the PC same name, Win10-PC1, and then I'll create a password. And then it asks me to key in the password again. Then it will ask you things like security questions. I will take this one to a different screen, complete it, and then I will be back. So I'll pause the recording while I'm doing those security questions. So we keyed in password, we created password, and then it asked me a few security questions. And so these ones I would just say no, all of them. No diagnostic, just the basic one. No pen connected, so we don't want to have any experience. And we say no. Then it starts. So this is also Cortana, the AI. We don't want that either. Now we just want to install a quick machine on VMware Workstation, and then now it started to do the profile setup. The machine gets ready. You have a Windows 10 running on your Windows machine or laptop, so you can have multiple machines where you can actually create your own lab. If you are learning any IT course and you needed few machines to connect and practice on, then you can have a virtual environment running on this VMware Workstation. If you want Linux machine, you can run it there. Windows machine, you can run it here, any server, and then you can practice. I will wait for this to complete, and then we'll show you the next step. So while this is going on, I will pause the recording. So the machine is now ready. The installation is completed. This is the basic Windows 10 installation, but you don't have any Windows updates, you don't have the VMware tools. So if you see, and you have this small screen which is not extended to the full screen here because it's lacking or it's missing the the VMware tools. So if you click on here and then say install VMware tools, then the tool will be available shortly. Okay, it becomes part of your drivers become now available in the main folder. So let me here we go. You can either you can click on the executable file there, or you can just go to this PC and then it's here. So if you double click on that, it will try to install the executable file, but this is signed by VMware, so we accept that and say yes. And what this does, it installs all the drivers you need for this virtual machine so you can use all the features that VMware Workstation provides. We need these tools to be installed. Okay, this will need a restart of the machine. We will do that. If you select that, and say next, and we will choose the complete one. For now, we will install. So if you see, all the drivers that are required will be installed. Everything, not even the ones you need. We said complete. Everything will be available to you. Okay. So if you see now, the window actually extended to full, and this might need a restart, but you say we will restart later. So now this computer has the basic Windows operating system, nothing but the basics. If I want to download the updates, what I will do, I will right click on here and then edit the settings, or maybe I'll select from here and then say edit. Either one. You can check a VM, sorry, not the editor for there, that's the whole workstation, but here then you can change manage settings from here. For multiple places you can access that. What I want to change is the NIC card. NAT is connected to the internet, and I will say OK. Now this virtual machine will get its IP from my DHCP here. So we wait for a minute, and this is now connected. We say yes, it's my lab. So that connectivity now is available. What I will do, I will check update. That means Windows update. So if you click here, and if you say check for updates, it will take time to do all the updates. So leave this one to run fully, download all the updates, and then installs and reboots the machine. That machine will be available for you to use. A Windows 10 machine in your own laptop or PC, you can actually carry that folder wherever you want to go. For example, here, if you go to the folder where we installed, just click and then copy that machine. If you have another machine, you are traveling and you take this file on a thumb drive or USB, take it to another machine where VMware Workstation is installed, and then run the machine from there. So it's a portable machine, a virtual machine inside your laptop, which you can carry around. So that's the basics of virtualization. Part 2 of installing Windows 10 on VMware Workstation. Thank you.